Hey, it's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and these days, I'm all about quick cooking meals, and I'm all about not being in the kitchen all day. So today, I have one delicious, fantastic meal that you're gonna love over and over again, and you're gonna whip up because it takes no time at all. It's my cumin dusted salmon with a grilled corn pico de gallo. Let me show you how we do it. It's so simple to do, all right? So first of all, in this bowl, I've got 4 ears of really sweet summer corn. I'm just gonna lightly coat this corn in olive oil. All right, and then this corn is super sweet, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of salt, all right, and a little bit of pepper. And behind me on the stove, I've got a grill pan getting nice and hot for us. So onto that grill pan we go. And as you can see, it's smoking hot, so this corn is gonna go on. We're gonna grill this corn inside. All right, so while the corn is working out, I've got 2 delicious pieces of salmon that are here. I'm gonna start by adding some olive oil, all right? And then to that, obviously some salt and pepper. So here's the pepper first, then I've got the salt. And I'm gonna do a little bit of cumin, which is what you find in a lot of Latin cooking. And I'm gonna balance the cumin with just a pinch of sugar. All right, so we'll give that a toss in the oil like this. Look at that. All right, and then I'm gonna put this right into a cast iron skillet and then get it right into a hot oven. All right, so this corn is nicely grilled, so we'll just take it off and let it cool off enough so that we can actually handle it. But in the meantime, we can get started on all the other components for the pico, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I've got some tomato that I just wanna get chopped down to size. I'm gonna do some tomato, some onion, some jalapeno, and some garlic. So there we go. Vegetables are all chopped down to size. Corn is cooled off enough that we can now deal with it. So in the same bowl, because I'm not gonna dirty up more dishes, right? I'm just gonna take the chopped tomato all in there and then some garlic. We'll give this a good stir, all right? And you can see it's already starting to look good on us. All right, meanwhile, let's cut the corn off of the cob. Now everybody goes into the pool. So any pico de gallo has to have, in my opinion, fresh squeezed lime juice. So I've got 2 limes. I'm just gonna roll out and I'm gonna put the juice right inside there. Also, we need fresh cilantro. So I'm gonna chop some of that up and get that right in there. So we'll put some of the cilantro right in there. We'll get a big spoon, we'll give it a stir. Look at that. All right, let's add in a little bit of oil and just a pinch of sugar. All right, look at that. Now that to me looks like a pretty good grilled corn pico de gallo. Look at this. This fish is ready to come out. Perfectly cooked. I love that. All right, so I'm just gonna put it on a plate. Here's one fillet, and here is the other. All right, and then I've got some of this grilled corn pico that I'm just gonna spoon right over on top of the fish, just like that. Beautiful colors. All right, so I'm just gonna get in here and get a piece of this fish. It's smelling good and looking good. It goes. The corn has a great crunch to it. Little grilled. That fish is seasoned to perfection. That little hint of sugar in there makes this just really pop. That lime comes through. That cilantro is really fresh, really delicious. You gotta give it a try. You know where to find the recipe. DariusCooks.tv. There's 2 things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.